Oh. All right, check that one off the list. Beautiful creek. We're crushing it, so look how pretty this river is. You wouldn't think it's All right, I'm down here at the Blue River in southern Oklahoma. I'm gonna try to finish this challenge out. I got a spotted bass, a red ear, and a crappie to catch. So I'm hoping to get it this weekend. I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna target spotted bass first and move on to the red ear, and then maybe tomorrow go after a crappie. But see what we can get into. I know there's a bass right here. All right, check that one off the list. Yeah, it's got a lot, it's real spotted up here, darker color, real dark line, and he's got a rough patch. It's real. So much fun. Cool. Well, there's nobody down here. I'm up in what's called the wilderness area on the Blue River. It's a public access area, but you can't drive into it. But I'm just going up along the bank, throwing this popper, just flicking it right on the bank, and they're crushing it. So super fun. Excited to get that spotted bass. From what I heard, like 80% of the river is spotted bass here. So I don't know if that's true or not. I just heard a local say that, but seems like they're predominantly spotted bass over here. So look how pretty this river is. You wouldn't think that's in Oklahoma. Oh. Nice. Oh, he hammered that. That was awesome. Another spot. Oh, got it. So much fun. Smallmouth. Go home. I just got back to the truck. I hiked a couple miles in to the end of the road and basically just throwing up along the bank with a popper. Every little hole I at least got a hit, and then I just move on to the next hole and the next hole and just work my way upriver. Probably caught 8 to 10 spotted bass, 1 smallmouth, and got 2 more to go, a red ear and crappie. So we'll see if we can find us a red ear. That's what I'm going for right now. So I'm out. Alright, so I booked this little cabin, kind of a last minute deal. Cedar Ridge Hideaway cabin. This is called the Bear Cabin. Cool little cabin, just tucked away here down by Tishomingo. But got to talking to the owner, and I was telling him about my challenge, and he's like, yeah, I got a couple ponds up here. One of them's loaded with crappie. So I'm gonna run down to this pond and see if I can catch a crappie. That's what I'm talking about. I get the crappie going. It counts. I'll take it. No. Tishomingo Farm Pond. Cedar Ridge Hideaway. A bunch of little ones. That's not a bad one. That's a little better one. You're getting a little bigger. So I'm gonna call it quits for the day, but man, that's why fly fishing is so awesome, especially for kids. I wish my son was here today with me, but you know, farm ponds, it's just so much fun. You can just go out to a local farm pond and with a cheap fly rod and have a great time. But I got 1 fish left, a red ear, and I'll try to finish this journey off tomorrow. 15 species, 15 weeks. So it's been fun. So we'll see if I can complete it tomorrow. All right, good morning. I am down here at Pennington Dam. I've never fished here before. Real beautiful creek that runs through Tishomingo. Stepped down to my 5-weight today and gonna go light and simple and yeah, see if we can finish this thing out today. See what we can get into. Beautiful creek. Water's pretty clear. All right, so I'm just playing around here. Got on a little hopper, drawing little hairs here below it. We'll see. Got him. missing an eye. That's probably why it ate. Pretty spotted bass. Well, all right, just got off the water, caught tons of sunfish. I mean, I don't know, probably 40 or 50. Basically walked a mile from the dam down to Second Bridge on Pennington Creek. But beautiful creek, clear creek, a lot of spotted bass, sunfish, caught a catfish. Really fun, just a nice little walk, and I was just throwing up along the banks in the shade. And used a little nymph, caught most of my fish off just a little nymph with either an indicator or like a dry dropper type deal with a just a stimulator above the nymph. But yeah, a bunch of sunfish. I may have caught a red ear. I have to go back and look at the footage. If I do, then this challenge is over. But I've got to go look at the footage, share the pictures with some guys that'll know. So all right, so I posted a pic of the footage of what I thought was a red ear, and I got confirmation back that it was a red ear sunfish. So 15 weeks, 15 species challenge is complete. I had a blast doing this challenge, but it was definitely a challenge. I had a great time, met a lot of great people, and learned so much throughout this process. Just by trying to catch some of these fish, you learn so much. You learn how to identify these fish, you learn the habitat in which they live, you learn what you need to use to catch them. So if you love to fly fish, or you're trying to get into fly fishing, this is a great challenge to put yourself through. And this could be done in other states, not just here in Oklahoma, but specifically here in Oklahoma. We have so much water, so many different species. A lot of people think you just got to fish for trout, but there's so many different types of game fish that are incredibly fun to catch on a fly rod. And there's a great community of people here in Oklahoma that will encourage you, that will educate you, show you the ropes. So experience is the best teacher, so just pick up the fly rod and hit up some local water and go from there. But anyways, this challenge is a wrap.